PREMNUTH PERSAUD, known as SINBAD and Boy, was arrested on Tuesday at number 68 village in Berbice. Newsroom understands that law enforcement officials have been hot on his trail since his return to Guyana following the deadly attacks in Suriname on April 27th.
Yeah, me I give it to them, you know. Yeah, man, a long time me I watch and I see them. I mislead you with them. Yo. Yeah, man, me just can't sit back and I watch the people them and destroy the little ghetto you with them, no. You have to talk about it. I say me nah. I say me nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just nah. And certain things me can't do. Me just can't. Because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't. Hey. Now what's my black brother working hard all week?
Yeah, my wonderful friends. It's me again. The great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now this video right here, me gonna talk about a little gang named the Pirate Gang out of Guyana. Who is the Pirate Gang? Well, the Pirate Gang is a bunch so-called fishermen who fish between Guyana and Suriname, and they so-called fish for fish, but we know exactly what they're fishing for. Now, remember now, Guyana, it's really South America, and Guyana borders Brazil, and it also, I think, borders Colombia. Suriname are right round in that little area, so you can imagine the amount of baby powder that's floating around that area. Remember now, Guyana have 900,000 people, and most of Guyana is undeveloped, so you can imagine how the smuggler them have a field day in Guyana. This man right here, them call him Fyah, and he is the big man. Now, them say him is a big time fisherman and he run a fishing business, but you and I both know what he run. Now, apparently Fyah brother got killed on the sea by some guys, and Fyah took it up on himself to send a posse led by this man right here. This man is called SINBAD, and SINBAD, him lead a boat of about 8 to 12 men that attack 4 other boats, and apparently them throw off the man them off of the boat, tie anchor upon them battery. Apparently 12 men was still missing, still is. 4 body them fine, and it caused a big stir between Suriname and Guyana. Suriname worked with Guyana, but it's Guyanese against Guyanese in this. Now, it is said that the big man brother was murdered in a drive-by, in Suriname. So the big man, they Guyanese, but his brother was murdered in a drive-by. After his brother was murdered, he decided to run up attack. He put out $50,000 US, you know. $50,000 US, it's right there in front of you. For a reprisal, revenge of the fisherman, because his brother, the big man, who name is Fyah, the big man named Fyah, his brother was mixed up in piracy, in fishing piracy. So they would be out there stealing people things and fish plus other things, baby powder, and a lot of mix up. So the evidence came out in court. But what was kind of interesting, as soon as the incident happened, the police went and picked up the big man. Now, this video is just a look into how Guyana operates. Now, SINBAD, he wasn't caught. He was the last person to be caught because the police catch a group of them and he was on the run. Now somebody informed on SINBAD and they caught him and the big man, and pretty much this was the outcome of their trial, January 23 this year. They were found guilty and they were sentenced to death. That's what the judge did, because this case in Guyana, it's still 12 unfound men, 4 died, 12 missing, and I think there was the difference that was alive and made it, and then they came to court and testified and said they saw, you know, SINBAD leading the crew. Other fishermen came forward and said that, you know, Mr. Fyah, who is this man, the man on the left, he put out a $50,000 reward for his brother's death, and this was really no secret. The police knew about it, everybody knew about it, and it was a $50,000 US reward. How do I feel about this? It shows, you know, what's really going on, like I say, in the Caribbean, South America, because you know the Caribbean is linked right there, and it is a part of South America. Guyana, Venezuela come right back up into Trinidad, come right back up round into all of those places. And it is a look into the minds of the Guyanese gang and different form of criminal organization operating. Now, as you see in Guyana and Suriname, the man them know the water, and water plays a very important role around that region, because you know you have the Amazon, and most of Guyana is undeveloped, and now they have oil, so plus they have baby powder and other things, so it goes to show you what's going on in that region. Now, I'm about to go, but I want to talk about this guy in the next video. I'm going to show his picture right here. This guy right here, he's called Spoiled Child, and he's an ex-police in Guyana, and him run a gang. I am going to talk about him in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And St. Vincent, I am not done with you And I am gonna make a speech to somebody in St. Vincent, and I know they're not gonna like it, but that's coming too.